Welcome to today's video. I am Ghini and I make beauty and mental health videos. Today's video is all about beauty photography, the way I do it. And in the part 2 video, I will be showing you how I edit my beauty photos on Facetune. That is my preferred method. There are many ways to do it. You can do it on Photoshop. I choose Facetune for a reason. So you want to come back next week for the Facetune video. So as you know, this video is not about makeup, but how to take photos the way I do on my Instagram beauty post. So I'm just going to put together a quick and easy look and then I'll be back. I hope you enjoy. A while later, I am back. All I did was to go in with an eyeliner, some eyeshadows, black eyeshadows, and a metallic gloss to create this slightly dramatic, soft wing look. And now I'm ready for some photographs. So what I usually do is to turn off all of the lights in the room and just simply use the flash photography of the camera to create that blackout background and just really illuminated foreground. Let me share with you the setting that I take my photos with. So I would go into the S setting. So this is an interchangeable lens mirrorless camera, and when I take my beauty photos, I turn it into S mode. S stands for shutter. So in the shutter mode, you can select and adjust the speed to 1/60. So that 1/10 would be too slow and the photo would go blurry. And if you do 1/600, it would be too fast and not enough light would go into your photo. This is just a kit lens, a box standard basic lens. So the aperture is 3.5, which is enough for an Instagram photo, to be honest. The background is quite blurry and this is a setting that I like. It may not be for you, but this is one that works for me. The reason I'm doing it is because quite a few of you DM me and ask me how I do it, and I also want to share the message that beauty is attainable if I can do it. Oh my god. This is hilarious. I have been talking for the longest time and my microphone is not anywhere near me. So, yep, I'm definitely not a professional. I'm still trying and learning. Okay. I hope that the audio is good again. Oh my god, darling. So my message is that beauty is attainable, and quite a few of you ask me how I do my beauty photography. So I have decoded my step-by-step guide, and I hope that you can also do this at home. It's so easy to achieve, and all you need is a decent camera and switch all of your lights off, turn the flash on. Stay tuned for the next video because I will be showing you how I Facetune my beauty photos to make it look professional and put together. I do enhance the color ever so slightly, and also the reason I Facetune is because of uneven texture on my skin. I wanted to look a little bit more professional, uniformed, and not let my imperfections distract and take away from the artistry that I put into my beauty posts. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, 2 videos a week, and share it with a friend. After all, sharing is caring, and I care about you, and I really hope that you will also share it with your friends so that they can also recreate beautiful makeup photos. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Stay golden and stay fabulous, my darlings.